So what I'm now doing, I'm preparing my pots at home so that I can actually get these around the front, so I can actually put all my stuff in it. Now I've put together way too much stuff. I knew I was going to be doing the pots. I'm actually going to be doing 2 pots and our wishing well, and also we're doing a window decoration, and we've got a little kind of almost like a chandelier triple pot for putting herbs in and stuff, so we've taken those out. I'm going to do something like that as well. So depending on the size of pots that you've got available, you could do something big, or when you've seen it, you can do something small as well. And when I've got that video done and showing you how to do the pots, I will put the pictures of all the other pots that I've done as well, so you've got some ideas about what can work together. And I will, not that you need to know, but I'll put the names on there just if you want to go hunting for stuff that you're not sure what it is. But you can always ask what stuff is, how I did it, comments, questions, whatever, and then let me know, and I'll answer any questions you've got. So I'll get finished with getting my pot sorted ready so I can get these bits in. I will be back very soon. Now, actually, one other thing, yeah, I'm using silver birch just because I think it looks nicer than the others, but there's no reason why you can't. On a couple of pots that I did over on the estate, I used Laurel and Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus one was quite nice. In the prep video for the craft stuff, the placemats, coasters, candle holders and the other bits, I actually show you some of those bits in there when I'm cutting them up, and you can see that. But again, it's just a case of picking and choosing what you fancy. You're only limited by your imagination on this, and don't let my imagination limit yours. So I will see you in a bit. I'll have these done shortly, and then we'll get on with doing the other video. Back soon. Right, one other quick thing which I just found. A couple of years ago, I stripped out my front border and put in loads and loads of conifers and junipers, of which this is one, and this one's grown exceptionally well. And I actually need to cut some back because I've got to replant some lavender because it's grown so well. It's killed off my lavender, and I've got space for 2, 3, 4 more. These are probably too big for these, but from all the ones I've done so far, big and bold looks really, really good. Now, if you can't get these into the soil too easily, what you also can do, I saw a lady in America doing it, is you can get some bamboo cane and run a piece off the end, wrap 22 gauge wire around it really, really tight, and use that to hold it in place. But I've dug these over, so these should go in relatively easily. And that gives you the initial part of the frame, and then the next part will be conifers or yew around the outside, draped to a size. Now, I'll just do it on this one, and then I'll run everything through fast for the other ones, and then you can see what it is at the end. So I'll just go and get some conifer bits. I'll probably pause it there till I've got some cuttings done, get those in, and then I'll rush through. So with the conifers around the edge, you want to try and fill all the way around, but you want to try and get it so it drapes outside of the pot and makes it look a lot better. If you just keep it within the confines of it, it looks a bit plain. In terms of longevity, there's plenty of moisture in these pots already. Once everything's in, I will water it all, and that will stay in there. I mean, temperature at the moment is about 3 degrees at the moment. It's quite chilly, and we're expecting it's going to be a little bit milder this week, but it's probably going to be colder again through Christmas. Some of this will freeze, and it'll just hold everything in place, won't blow away, and they will probably last through until the second week of January. We're 17th of December now, but these should run right through, no problem. Right, so that's the outside of it done. Now, as you can see, obviously these are quite big, so whatever goes inside has got to be bigger so you can actually see it. I will stop now and run it through on fast speed so you can see it being put together. I'll move it to one side and then I'll get the other ones done as well, and then we'll go back to normal speed so I can show you how to look at the end. Right, there you go. Quick, cheap and easy pots. Nice and festive. Look good in any garden.